Oke, sebentar. Oke, silakan Miss Ruth.
Oke, ini eh, you will talk about family. Berarti ngomongin tentang family, pendapat, dan tentang diskusi, ya, ide-ide diskusi yang abstrak. Di
Oke, oke. Jadi, you will talk about familiar topics, topik-topik yang sebenarnya
topik-topik,
umum.
ya, familiar. Ya,
Umum,
familiar.
ya.
Kok jadi family sih? Familiar topik, ya. Topik-topik umum,
Ya,
opini, dan
ya.
ide-ide yang bisa
Eh, eh,
didiskusikan.
ya. Berapa lama ininya untuk apa interviewnya?
11 until 14 minutes.
Okay, good, good.
Hmm.
Okay, so how many parts this test will be divided into?
Three
Three
part.
parts. Okay. So the first part would be
Will be introduction for
okay,
until five
introduction
minutes.
interview. Okay, 4 to 5 minutes. Okay, and the second part. Okay, let's go to second.
Mm-mm.
Okay.
Ini saya telat banget ya baru belajar IELTS siapa ya? Orang mah dari SMA kayaknya ya.
Nggak tahu saya.
Tahu kali ya.
Saya juga nggak tahu. Soalnya waktu dulu saya di SMA nggak belajar IELTS juga sih.
Enggak, mesti yang orang-orang yang kuliah mau apa gitu. Ini saya kuliah juga nggak kepikiran.
Kayaknya sih enggak ya.
Kayak telat gitu Pak. Saya
Enggak telat ya kayaknya. Kayaknya soal tergantung ini. Kalau IELTS itu kan tergantung ini, tergantung kebutuhan.
kebutuhan ya Pak ya.
Iya, nggak semuanya harus ikut IELTS kan, gitu.
Iya
Ini
sih.
ini ini lebih apa ya? Karena Miss Ruth sekarang ya pengen nyobanya kan lagi pula kan Miss Ruth lagi udah di luar Indonesia kan. Nah, emang
Mm-mm.
cocok, waktunya pas gitu.
Iya.
Waktunya pas untuk belajar
Mm-mm.
IELTS.
Maksudnya baru belajar setelah 3 tahun, nggak dari
Nggak,
awal.
nggak apa-apa. Saya malah lebih parah itu belajar nggak pernah belajar. Saya langsung ikut IELTS. Tapi saya udah lulus berapa tahun ya, lama lah Miss Ruth, jadi nggak apa-apa kok. Masih lebih bagus Miss Ruth daripada dibandingkan saya.
Oke, oke, baik.
Okay,
Oke,
okay.
siap.
So the second part will be a longer. It'll take longer. Okay, so you
Mm-mm.
will be given time to prepare. You
Mm-mm.
see
Ya,
how many minutes?
3 until 4 minutes.
Okay,
You will
and
get a
then
cue card with
a
a
cue card.
topic.
Yes, okay, they're different
Oh,
topics. Okay, sometimes it will be random topics. So you just uh, and then you just have to go with it. Okay.
oh, jadi random gitu Pak. Jadi kita nanti nggak dikasih clue gitu. We don't have a clue.
Uh, like this one. Okay, the example here. The cue card
Hmm.
like this. Do you see this? Like this one here?
Example cue card. Describe a book you recently read. You should say
Mhm.
what the book is about, when you
Uh,
read it, why you decide to read it, and
so
explain.
the cue card will be like this. Only this sentence here, like this.
Ah, kalau misalnya nggak belum baca buku tuh.
Pasti ada lah buku yang terakhir, entah bukunya terus 20 tahun yang lalu bacanya
Oh,
atau 12
iya
tahun
ada
yang lalu.
sih buku yang aku baca tapi nggak komplit gitu loh Pak. Cuman kayak udah berhenti di tengah doang.
Nggak apa-apa itu juga nggak apa-apa.
Oh, nggak
Yang
apa-apa.
penting, recently read ya, yang
Hmm.
terakhir, yang akhir-akhir inilah gitu, yang mau bisa
Uh-uh.
kita ceritakan gitu ya, yang bisa
Hmm.
kita ceritakan. Tapi ini cuma salah satu contoh ya. Gitu.
Hmm.
Heeh.
Hmm.
Gitu.
Oke.
Jadi dalam 1 menit itu kita buat apa namanya ya? Kalau dulu di pelajaran bahasa Indonesia itu kayak apa?
Intisari
Iya,
merangkum.
iya kayak intisari gitu
Hmm.
ya. Heeh,
Hmm.
heeh. Nah, sama dalam bahasa Inggris gitu. Jadi apa yang mau kita omongin
Hmm.
untuk 2 menit itu 1 menit kita dikasih.
Oh, oke.
Heeh. Nah, kita dikasih ada kertas urak-urakan di situ. Apa namanya kalau kertas
Oh,
urak-urakan
oh.
bahasa
Oh, nanti kita
Indonesia?
kasih kertas gitu ya Pak.
Iya, iya.
Buat ngomong,
Untuk
buat
part 2 ini ya. Untuk part
part
2 ini.
2.
Heeh.
Oh, jadi kita tuangkan topiknya di dalam kertas gitu.
apa subtopiknya ya. Kita bisa subtopiknya buat sendiri di dalam di kertas, tapi topiknya mereka yang kasih pilihan kalau nggak salah.
Hmm.
Nanti kita pilih.
Hmm.
Oke.
Use your own preparation to write them. Okay.
Oke.
Yeah. Hmm.
Uh,
Try to speak for the full 2 minutes. Use the
yeah,
word
full 2 minutes.
after that. Hmm.
Okay. And the key is okay. Don't memorize sentences. Okay. The viewer will know if you memorize sentences.
Oh,
Yes. The thing is, let it flow naturally as you are telling
mhm.
story to your friends.
Okay.
Uh, you will get more points for that. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Uh, Again, you see, linking words firstly, then after that, finally. Okay.
Finally, yeah.
Yeah. So you can use this one, or you can say first. Okay. Especially when you want to explain reasons.
Mm-mm.
Okay, some reasons why I like this. Okay. First, because of this. Okay. And then second. Okay. Or you can say then. Okay, after that.
Okay.
Okay.
Finally, yeah.
Okay. All right. Okay. Here, this is also important. If you forget something, just keep going. Don't
Oh,
stop.
so if we like stuff like this, like
It's okay. It's okay. It's part
mm,
of the normal conversation, but not too long, right? And what you can do, you
mm,
if you forgot, you can repeat. Oh, I was saying, like that. As I was saying, as the this. Okay.
mm,
Or if you feel like you made a mistake, you can say, "Oh, what I meant was okay," but don't stop in the middle of this 2 minutes.
conversation. Oh, okay.
Okay, you can pause because in the conversation you should pause a little bit, but you
Mm.
can pause. But what I mean is don't stop and let the time just goes on.
Oh, okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
And okay, the last part will be discussion. This is you will get 4 to 5 minutes.
Oh, jadi mereka ada sesi tanya jawabnya setelah kita menceritakan.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Hmm.
yeah. The focus of this part, right, would be giving opinions, your opinion, right?
Mm-mm.
Uh, and then your analysis, get your ideas, okay? Okay,
Mm.
for example, okay, how do books help children develop creativity? Okay, and
Oh,
then so when this question like this,
mm-mm.
you can say, in my opinion,
Mm.
in my view, right? Uh, you start from that, okay? And
Okay.
because this is your opinion, so because it's your opinion, you are free to say anything because it's your opinion.
But if
Okay.
our opinion, I mean, like some mistake for grammar, tenses like that, that's okay as long
This
they
is
are
okay.
understand.
Just be confident. Okay. Just don't mind about don't think about, oh, I will make a mistake grammatically. This is not the time. When during this time, you just be confident, and then as long as you feel like you deliver the message.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm.
So the key of this part is confidence. Okay. We will make mistakes grammatically, right?
Mm-mm.
And because it's just natural, we are not first language,
Mm.
but that is the confidence, okay, that will account more. Okay, this one.
Okay.
So you tell yourself, right? You can
Mm-mm.
do this. That you will do this. what's the word, smoothly, and then your
Ya.
brain will program you, and then yeah, regardless the mistakes, you will be able to deliver the message.
Oke.
Okay, and like, how do books help children develop creativity? You can also say, well, according to what I read, maybe you know something that you read. Okay, how books help children develop creativity. You can also share that if you feel like you have read some an opinion. You can also say that according to what I read many years ago. Okay,
Hmm.
maybe the author. Okay, from what I read on the newspaper. Okay, uh, things like that. So do you think people read less now than in the past? Okay, why? This is, do you think? Uh, Again, you can say, oh, you can say what I think, right?
Ya.
That will give you a plus point. But if you say that in my opinion, okay, that will give you more point instead of what I
Hmm.
think.
Oke.
Okay.
Oh, ini ya. Oke.
Okay, you can say like that. So, how will technology change the way we read in the future? Okay, so remember, this is not uh, a test. This is a speaking test. It's a conversation test. So you don't have to worry how accurate your answer is. Okay, Miss Ruth.
Oh, oh, oh
Okay.
gitu, Pak.
Iya, gitu. Jadi
Oh
ini
iya,
bukan bukan tanya apakah jawabannya benar atau enggak,
benar
bukan.
apa enggak? Oh,
Enggak. Ini sebagaimana percaya diri kita menjelaskan pendapat kita. Sebenarnya itu aja.
oh gitu.
Walaupun
Dikirain,
jawabannya amburadul ngaco nggak apa-apa.
iya, Pak, dikirain. Oh, oh gitu.
Ah, gitu ya, gitu.
Hmm.
Nah, nanti makanya kalau yang belajar sendiri banyak juga yang nggak tahu ya. Jadi akhirnya stres sendiri. Wah, wah, harus
Nah,
harus
itu Pak,
harus.
iya. Saya pernah, soalnya sebelum saya mulai les itu saya stres sendiri mulainya dari mana. Ini
Ah, gitu.
semuanya kan banyak kan sebenarnya di YouTube
Ah,
eh,
ah,
tutorial kayak gitu-gituan.
ah,
Cuman
ah,
mulainya dari mana? Terus kita taunya dari mana? Terus mereka
ah,
ngajarin
ah.
gini-gini nggak ngerti juga gitu.
Iya, ini nanti ditanya gini topiknya, waduh saya nggak tahu nih, ya, gimana teknologi merubah
Mm, mm,
cara
mm,
kita
mm.
membaca. Wah, kita nggak pernah baca.
Iya benar-benar Pak. Aku pikir gitu, ternyata yang penting
Hmm.
sesuai kepercayaan dirian kita
Iya,
gitu.
iya,
Hmm.
iya gitu. Jadi eh, nggak akan di nggak akan di ini kucing saya ini lagi. eh jadi yang dites itu bukan apa seberapa akurat
Jawaban.
jawaban kita betul ya. Bukan,
Oh.
bukan itu.
Hmm. Oke, oke.
Oke, ya.
Mm-mm.
Bentar ya, ini kucing saya mencet tombol nih jadi salah deh.
Oh, Bapak punya kucing.
Ada tiga nih kucingnya.
Masya Allah, banyak banget.
Oh iya, ini anak-anak saya mungut-mungutin kucing jadi jalanan nih, pusing. Nah, kucingnya jelek-jelek, kurus, cakitan semua. Aduh, ada yang sekarat juga waktu itu kemarin.
Kayak ini dong, kayak kucing kampung di Indo.
Iya, kucing kampung ya, benar-benar.
Oh,
Parah ini.
vaksin Pak, divaksin Pak, takut rabies.
Oh, udah. Ini semua udah
Mm.
divaksin, udah di. Ini tahun kemarin ya, di ini ada pada dipungut-pungutin nih. Ada yang
Hmm.
patah tulang, diadopsi, ada yang wah, gitu. Oke, ini saya kasih ya di ini ya,
Mm-mm.
di WhatsApp ya.
Oke, siap Pak. Berarti ini saya PR lagi, nanti tinggal ini aja ya, menjelaskan.
Enggak, ini nih bukan PR, kita kita latihan sekarang nih. Tapi ini penting ya, nanti dipegang sama Miss Ruth
Mm-mm.
sebagai
Nanti
apa?
kirim ke aku ya Pak ya.
Oke, siap, siap. Oke, ini saya jelasin lagi. Nah, terus ini, nah tipsnya ini nih.
Give clear
Oke,
opinion and reason.
oke. Ini kepencet sama kucing saya,
Aduh,
maaf ya.
kadang mencari alasannya ini Pak yang susah.
Iya,
Kak,
pokoknya yang ini pinter-pinter nyari-nyari ini aja apa?
cari-cari alasan.
Iya,
Aduh, ada
pinter-pinter.
ini loh ya. excuse nih mencari alasan.
Ah ya, ini jadi kita belajar mengarang bebas gitu lah.
Bebas, iya benar.
Oke, mengarang bebas ini.
Mengarang bebasnya tapi harus tetap nyambung ya kan, nggak walaupun jawabannya kita nggak cari
Eh,
jawaban benar, tapi secara logika harus oh iya gitu. Ya nggak sih Pak?
ya lebih bagus begitu. Tapi nggak, tapi itu apa ya? Itu akan lebih bagus ya. Tapi walaupun nggak begitu juga nggak apa-apa. Karena sekali lagi yang dicek itu kemampuan kita
Ngomongnya ya.
memberikan pendapat. Nah, gitu.
Ya.
Pendapatnya benar apa salah itu urusan nanti.
Urusan nanti. Oh iya
Oke?
iya iya.
Jadi ya, kalau kita mikirnya gitu nanti kan kita lebih lebih tenang,
Oh oke oke, iya iya sih benar.
ya
Karena
kan?
kalau nggak tahu tipsnya kita bakal, aduh jawabannya yang benar apa ya gitu.
Heeh. Kita kan takut sama ngasih jawaban ngaco kan?
Iya
Tapi
tak.
sebenarnya bukan itu di tesnya sebenarnya.
Oh, oke oke oke.
Oke? Nah, gitu. So, jadi ini, terus ini penting tadi kan saya bilang ya, in my
Hmm,
opinion, on the other hand, oke ini buat ngebandingin ya.
mm-mm.
Eh,
Boleh nggak
eh,
nih Pak sambil tulis nih Pak?
nggak usah ditulis soalnya ini saya kasih nanti semua ini.
Oh oke oke.
Saya kasih semua
Mm-mm.
di filenya ya, satu file nanti.
Oke.
Terus apa? Oh, tambahin juga. Oh, that's an interesting question. Ini juga kasih komentar
Oh,
sebelum kita sejawab.
oh, sebelum sebelum kita ngejawab, kita kasih pujian dulu gitu ya Pak ya?
Kalau misalnya jawabannya, pertanyaannya kira-kira susah ya. Ini,
Gimana tuh?
ya pembukanya gitu. Oh, that's an interesting question.
Oh oke oke
Oke.
oke.
Eh, tapi walaupun nggak susah, kalau kita percaya diri, tetap aja kita pakai ini bisa bisa dapat tambahan nilai gitu.
Hmm, oke.
Gitu. Oke. Nah ini nih struktur jawabannya ya. Struktur jawabannya
Mm-mm.
ini nih. Jangan
Extend
lupa.
your answer with example,
Nah,
comparison, or prediction.
oke.
Iya,
Examples, comparisons,
and
prediction.
prediction.
Oke.
Mm-mm.
Nah, gitu.
Oke.
Terus, nah ini dia. Ini nih yang dicek nanti di apa untuk percakapan ya. Speaking
Mm.
test. Uh, so how smoothly and logically you speak, ya. Jadi nggak dilihat bener apa salahnya ya. Itu si jawabannya ya.
Yang penting smooth and
Good,
logical usually.
logical. Ya, gitu. Ya, jadi ya
Harus
intinya
smooth
mengarang bebas
ya.
gitu.
Iya, aduh
Mengarang
harus
bebas
smooth
tapi
gimana?
harus meyakinkan gitu ya.
Iya benar-benar.
Eh.
Oke.
Oke.
Vocabulary.
Lalu lexical resource ya, the range of vocabulary you use. Jadi seberapa banyak kosakata yang akan kita
Kosakata yang
pakai.
dipakai.
Eh, jadi
Oke. Lumayan
eh
nih Pak. Vocab.
kenapa?
Lumayan nih. Ada dinilai juga vocabulary-nya.
Ya, gitu. Semakin banyak, semakin
Mm-mm.
bervariasi, itu nilainya bertambah gitu.
Hmm.
Tapi kalau memang nggak terlalu banyak, ya udah pakai kata yang sama aja nggak apa-apa. Yang penting jangan berhenti gitu.
Oke oke.
Oke?
Mm-mm.
Eh, ini cuma saya kasih tipsnya aja. Jadi apa yang dilihat nanti sama mereka.
Hmm. Grammatical range and accuracy.
Oke? Terus ini apa nih? Kira-kira nih, Miss Ruth.
How we will use grammar structure.
Ah,
So mau buy nih Pak. Sama aja. Kan pasti grammar juga pasti dilihatin nih Pak. Nanti
iya. Jadi
campur-campur ini mulut
iya.
saya.
Jadi grammatical range ya. Jadi
Mm-mm.
seperti yang tadi saya bilang ya, jadi
Mm-mm.
ini lebih variasi, lebih variatif lagi. Oh, jadi kalau kita
Mm-mm.
campur simple past tense, jadi
Mm-mm.
simple present, lalu present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense, past perfect tense, perfect past perfect continuous tense, future tense, simple future, gitu ya. Jadi kalau kita campur-campur semua, wah,
Mm-mm.
ini tambah banyak, nilainya tambah gede. So,
Oke.
gitu.
Ini pronunciation-nya A, I, U, E, O-nya ya, Pak ya?
Iya, how clear
Clear.
and natural your pronunciation is. Oke, nah ini makanya kalau kalau diapalin nanti nggak akan kelihatan di sini.
Oh.
Kalau kita ngapalin sentences-nya, makanya eh, apa ya? Yang penting itu kita percaya diri mengungkapkan apa yang pendapat apa yang ada di pikiran kita. Itu nanti akan clear dan akan natural dengan sendirinya
Hmm.
gitu. Kalau orang Indonesia ini ada keunggulan ya orang Indonesia banyak kan aksennya clear.
Iya, sama kayak orang Filipino kan ya, Pak?
Enggak, lebih clear orang Indonesia.
Oh, serius?
Iya.
Hmm.
Heeh.
Alhamdulillah deh.
Iya, karena bahasa Indonesia sendiri nggak ada aksen sebenarnya. Itu bahasa Indonesia itu yang nggak ada aksen sebenarnya.
Hmm.
Gitu.
Oke, oke.
Yang aksen itu yang membawa kita aksen itu apa?
Bahasa daerah.
Kesukuan kita. Ya bahasa
Iya,
daerah kita.
benar. Benar-benar. Bahasa
Tapi
daerah
bahasa
kita
Indonesia sendiri nggak ini nggak itu sebenarnya netral.
netral. Iya, benar-benar.
Jadi orang-orang yang tumbuh dan berkembang pakai bahasa Indonesia, nah
Mm-mm.
ini lebih lebih netral aksennya. Gitu.
Oh, oke. Good.
Iya, makanya ada teman-teman kita yang pakai aksen Jawa, ya aksen Sunda, karena mereka tumbuh dan berkembang pakai bahasa itu.
Mm-mm, mm-mm. Iya,
Tapi kalau di
benar-benar.
rumahnya pakai bahasa Indonesia total, nah biasanya lebih clear ini ya
Lebih
aksennya.
clear.
Ya, oke?
Oke. Ini berarti saya tadi ngomong bahasa Inggrisnya bahasa Indonesia ya, Pak? Bukan bahasa daerah aksennya.
Iya, bahasa Indonesia tadi. Iya benar.
Tapi
Oke.
aku belum pernah dengar orang Indonesia ngomong bahasa Inggris pakai aksen Jawa sih, belum pernah.
Saya pernah ada guru yang begini. Eh,
Hmm,
eh,
oke.
eh, ya aksen Jawa tapi biasanya ini ya tinggalnya di Indonesia.
Iya, tinggal di Indo.
Dan biasanya banyak yang nggak percaya diri kayaknya sering diketahui, sering dibully,
Dibully, iya. Aduh,
berbul,
tingkat bully di
berbully.
Indonesia tinggi. Hmm,
Iya. Oke, ini tipsnya ya, Miss Ruth ya.
mm-mm.
Oke, boleh dijelaskan Miss Ruth ini apa sih tips-tipsnya nih?
Oke, practice speaking English
Hmm.
every day.
Hmm.
Minimum like 10 minutes.
You don't
Then,
have problem with this, right? Because you you use English in
yeah,
the
and
workplace.
then we record. This I never record myself
Okay,
if
okay,
I'm talking. Then
okay.
answering sample question. Okay. Then the third, focus on speaking clearly, not
Hmm,
too fast.
right,
Hmm,
good.
Terus abis itu
Mhm.
belajar paraphrase. Paraphrase.
Paraphrase, ya, paraphrase.
Ya, say the same idea in
Mhm.
different words.
That's right.
Oke, kayak
Okay.
similar word gitu ya, Pak ya?
Yes, similar
Hmm.
words. Okay. Now, by the way, Miss Ruth, okay, when you every time you see P and H here,
Mm-mm.
the sound is always F, like
Eh,
fish, like frog.
paraphrase.
Paraphrase.
Paraphrase. Oke.
Yes.
Oh,
So
jadi
like mhm.
PH itu F.
Selalu,
Hmm.
selalu F. Oke, selalu F.
Bukan P berarti ya, Pak. Berarti
Bukan kayak 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 gini ya. Saya kasih contoh sedikit ya.
boleh. Kayak Filipin gitu ya, PH. Filipin.
Ah, kayak elephant, bukan
Oh,
elephant.
iya.
Oke,
Elephant.
elephant kan. Oke,
Oh,
terus apalagi ini
phone. Oh,
phone, ya kan?
iya, iya benar-benar.
Terus apa ini? Oke, can you read this one, Miss Ruth?
Photograph.
Photograph.
Oh ya, photograph. Oh iya, belakang
Ah,
ya, PH.
ya. Oke.
Photograph. Ayo, ayo.
Oke.
Iya.
And then how about this one?
Hmm,
I forgot what else. How about this one? Can you read this?
eh, phonics.
Yes. Okay. Good. Okay. Okay.
Artinya apa tuh, Pak?
Suara.
Suara.
Eh,
Oh, oke, oke.
eh,
Filosofi.
ah, ini cara ketik lagi. Oke.
Filosofi.
Philosophy aja. F, not
Iya.
no P. Oke.
Hmm,
Like that. Oke.
oke.
Oke. Okay, so the next one.
Avoid memorizing full sentence. It sound
Ah,
unnatural. Oh, jangan
ya.
jangan ini ya, jangan menghafal.
Jangan menghafal. Nanti ketahuan kalau menghafal gitu.
Mm-mm,
Apa nggak jadi nggak natural gitu.
mm-mm,
Karena
mm,
orang yang ngomong natural itu suka ada jedanya beberapa sepersekian detik kita agak berhenti dulu. Itu yang natural.
oke,
Mm-mm.
oke.
Oke. Nah,
Ya.
terus?
The last practice answering why
Hmm.
questions, give
Hmm.
reason and examples.
Yes. Okay. So always reasons why. Okay. So and practice answering why questions. Okay. Why did you do this? Oh, because I do this. Because and then give examples. So give reasons, give examples. Reasons and then examples.
Oh,
Okay.
bisa.
That's a practice. But don't forget this part also. Examples, comparisons, predictions. Okay, this is
Prediction.
also important skills
Oke.
that will help you in the speaking test.
Compare. Oke. Compare. We need to compare.
Yeah. Okay, let's try this. Okay, Miss Ruth.
Ya. Duduk deh saya.
This is just a practice, okay? So if you made a mistake, it's fine. But I think you'll be able to handle this. Okay. All
Insya
right.
Allah.
So then let's go back to the first part. Inshallah. Okay. Your hometown. Okay. Simple question about your life and daily topics. We did this already, right? Remember our
Yeah, yeah,
first meeting, right?
yeah. I remember.
Okay. Um. So let's do this. Okay.
Mm-mm.
This one here.
Oke.
Okay.
What?
What do you usually do on weekends?
Oke. I usually doing some hobbies.
Mm-hmm.
For example, l-
Good.
like singing and then cooking or reading some books.
Okay. Good. Good. So that would be considered one sentence.
Oh, oke.
Okay. It's good. At least you didn't freeze, you know.
Ya, ya.
Okay, that's good, right?
Ya.
Just remember the
Uh-uh.
interview will be 4 to 5 minutes. Okay.
Oke.
Um, like what you said earlier, you're like reading, right? And then examples, what books do
Ya,
you like to read? Okay. Like
ya.
that. Okay, okay, let's go to the next part here. So, do you prefer reading or watching movies?
Uh, Me actually, this is depend on my mood.
Okay, very good. Yeah.
Yeah. Sometimes I like reading, sometimes I like to watching. Eh, aku jelasin berarti lagi nih, Pak.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Oh
yeah.
ya,
Exactly. Yeah.
yeah. Sometimes I reading a book like uh, for nowadays. Currently,
Mm.
I was reading the book you wish your parent had read.
Ah.
Then about parenting. And sometime I was watching movie. Sometimes I was watching movie also. For example, like a horror movie
Mhm.
or Korean drama.
Okay, good. Okay, very nice. Okay, so you give
Mm,
two to three sentences. Okay, so my feedback. Okay, you did very good. Okay, and just remember when you say sometimes. Okay, so this is an activity that you do over and over again. So this is routinity, right? So
mm,
when you do give a routine, something that you do, so don't use past tense.
Ah ya, lupa. Tuh kan Pak, saya suka campur-campur.
Nggak apa-apa, nggak apa-apa.
Heeh.
Soalnya apa? Tapi sekali lagi lebih baik kecampur kayak gitu daripada nggak dijawab sama sekali. Oke.
Oke.
Tapi ini cuma tips untuk meningkatkan aja sebenarnya
Mm-mm.
apa poinnya aja sebenarnya. Oke.
Mm-mm.
Gitu. Jadi kalau kalau misalnya do you prefer this? Okay. So just remember you are when you wanna share something that you do routinely. I mean, you give a present, a simple present. Try to do simple present.
Ya. Mm-mm.
Okay.
Oke.
Okay, and
Oke.
so I'm not gonna go to this question again because we did this. But unless if you want to try again, it's up to you. Like, where do you live? We did this our first in during our first meeting.
Mm-mm.
Uh, you wanna try this or you wanna move to the next step?
The next step deh Pak.
Yeah, okay.
Kayaknya dari SD, where do you live, where do you live?
Oke. Dari SD itu terus ya.
Iya.
Say, enough. Okay, okay. Okay, now so you will get the cue card, okay, with a
Ya.
topic, a random topic.
Mm-mm.
Let's do this, okay? So
Oke.
describe a book that you recently read. Okay, this one.
Oke.
Okay, I already helped you with this. Now,
Mm.
I will give you time, okay, to think about what you want to say. Okay, Miss Ruth?
Oke.
All right, and then let me know when you're ready. During the test, you only have 1 minute, okay? Because this is a practice, you can take your time.
Oke. Eh, oke. Oke deh. Boleh Pak. Ini
Okay,
baru, saya baru punya buku bacaan sih ini, tapi belum beres dibaca.
no, it's okay. It's okay.
Oke.
All right.
Oh, oke nih Pak.
Okay, go ahead.
Oke. Um, okay, in this time, I wanna explain about the book what I read recently. The book I read, the title is The Book You Wish Your Parent Had Read. This is the book talking about parenting.
Mm,
I'm reading this book when I have off duty or have a spare time in my off. Then I decide to read this book
mm,
because this is the Sunday Times #1 bestseller in America,
mm,
and everyone's recommended to read this book in social media. And why I like to read this book, because a lot of my friends, they said before you going to married go I mean for marriage, you need to prepare to be learn how to be good, to be how to be a good parents for your kids, so you will not leave or give any trauma to your kids or something. So you need to finish yourself first before you marry. Finish, Pak.
Finish. Okay, okay.
ah Lupa, ini nggak nulis ya, firstly then after that.
Iya, nggak apa-apa.
Oh
Karena kan kita lagi latihan, ini nggak
iya
apa-apa, nggak
iya,
apa-apa.
ini doang ya, spontanitas.
Iya, iya, iya. Itu yang nanti yang ditunggu sama spontanitas. Cuma karena nanti kalau kalau kita latih secara terstruktur, nanti spontanitasnya nanti keluar secara terstruktur gitu ya.
Oke.
Nah, gitu. Nah, terus ini, oh ya, on social media, oke, Miss Ruth ya,
Mm,
bukan in
mm-mm.
social media,
Oh
on
iya, iya.
social media, oke.
Ansos ya. Ya. Mm-mm.
Oke. Nah ini bagus tadi, Miss Ruth tadi udah ngasih apa ada uh, untuk grammar ya, ada beberapa jenis tenses tadi yang sama Miss Ruth udah jelasin, ada simple, kadang-kadang present ya,
Mm-mm.
itu udah bagus. Cuma ini ya penempatannya. Jadi Miss Ruth kita cerita ya.
Mm-mm.
Waktu keceritain itu jangan lupa pas pakai pas ya.
Oh iya.
Entah pasnya itu pas perfect atau pas continuous atau simple past itu pokoknya pas ya.
Oke.
Uh, terus apa? uh, terus apa ya uh, kalau what the book is about itu present nggak apa-apa ya. Ya.
Mm-mm.
Tapi lalu when you read it, it's also okay present nggak apa-apa. Tapi uh, apa ya? Tadi ada beberapa yang mungkin lebih cocok pakai
Present. Apa pas, Pak?
ini ya. Saya lupa tadi ada pakai present ya tadi.
Saya juga lupa, Pak. Tapi sih
Tapi
jawabannya
nggak apa-apa.
benar.
Tapi so why you decided to read it? This is a pass. Okay, pass.
Uh-uh.
So at
Oke.
that time, how did you feel at that time? That what situation that you were in at that time? So you decided to read that book. Okay,
Oh, oke.
and then so why you liked it and you disliked it, and then since you haven't finished the book, you can actually say, "Oh, I haven't really finished the book," and then you give prediction. I hope that I can see, and then the future tense. I'll
Ah,
finish it sometimes next month.
oke.
Okay.
Oke.
Uh, okay, and then you give the reason. Okay, why you decided to share this book because you like this book so much because of that reason that you
Iya,
just
iya.
mentioned earlier. Okay.
Mm-mm.
Uh, so again, it's what's the word? This is important here. This one, yeah. Yeah, how smoothly and logically you speak. Okay.
Mm-mm.
There's nothing it says that how the answer has to be what's the word accurate answer.
Ya.
Okay, and what else? Here this one.
Mm-mm.
Okay, so that was part two, right, Miss Ruth? Okay, let's
Ya.
go to part three.
Oke.
Now discussion. Okay, like this
Mm-mm.
one. So how do books help children develop creativity?
Oh, eh, ini masih tentang ngomongin buku yang aku lagi baca atau gimana nih?
Iya, ini masih berhubungan dengan yang topik yang tadi ya. Kan tentang buku nih ya. Ini kan tentang
Iya.
buku. Nah, ini tentang buku.
Oke.
Biasanya gitu nyambung, biasanya disambungin.
Oh, oke, oke.
Heeh.
This one, the book will help children to describe their feeling to the parents, not to hide, and then some of the children also they can have a good mental. I mean, like health, health mental, health mental. Kayak itu loh, kayak apa namanya?
Mhm.
Mentalnya jadi bagus gitu loh, Pak.
It
Healthy,
will help.
ya. Health mental.
What's the word? I don't. Mental jadi bagus mungkin. It will help. Maybe it will help shape the
Yeah, mental stability,
mental
it will
health.
be,
Okay, okay.
yeah,
Mhm.
mental health to become stable.
More
Then,
stable. Yeah. Okay.
yeah,
Mhm.
more stable.
Mhm.
And then they have a principle when they are kids. So when they are growing up,
Mhm.
they will not they will apa ya, kalau dibilang itu mereka nggak ngikut-ngikutin orang gitu. Jadi mereka punya prinsipnya sendiri. Gimana ya?
Okay. So they will
Kayak
have
gitu
their
lah
own
boleh.
opinion. They will not be persuaded easily by other people. They will not
Ya,
follow the wrong.
the wrong way, and
Mhm.
then they can communicate it what they want to their parents,
Uh,
not hide their feelings.
okay.
Also they are more relaxed to
Hmm.
talking to the parents like
Mhm.
friends.
Okay. 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 Good. 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 So you and then don't forget. Okay, Miss Ruth. In your opinion.
Yeah, in my opinion,
Okay.
this book is good for people who want to marry for the next step before they have a children. So,
Mm,
book
mm,
recommended for a woman and man for marriage to the
mm,
next.
mm. Okay.
Mhm. Udah Pak, itu doang.
Oke, oke. Oke, oke. Nah, terus
Ya.
ini, uh, do you think people read less now than in the past?
Yes, I think people more read less now because nowadays the people like scrolling social media, so they just take any summary in the
Mhm.
content, then they just take it without filter.
Hmm.
So they don't know about a complete story.
Hmm.
Like a
Hmm.
some gossip, they just believing, and they doesn't know about the I mean the idea of that
Hmm.
content. So they
Mhm,
just
mhm,
following what they want, depend
mhm.
of their mind.
Okay, nice, nice. See, you give examples, right? So what
Yeah.
happened on social media, okay, to support your statement, because you said yes, right?
Mm.
And then, so before that, so again, before that, you can just, wow, that's an interesting question.
Yeah.
You can
That's
you can open it
interesting
with that
question.
sentence.
Yeah.
Okay. Uh, But this is not the only way, okay, Miss Ruth, right? There are many
Mm,
other opening sentences that you can
mm,
use. This is just some of the examples, okay?
mm, mm. Okay.
Hmm. Okay. So how will technology change the way we read in the future, Miss Ruth?
Mm, the technology change the way we read is so fast, so we don't need to read the book complete to the read the book is like if we buy one book, it's like 100 pages, but in the technology they will filter become 2 or 3 pages for to know what the inside, I mean like the summary, so they don't need to read all from the first until the end. I mean the positivity, it will be take a little time to understand. I mean like we knew the points so fast, but the negativity, it it will make us too lazy to read because we just want to know about the point of the book only, not the situation of the book from the start, middle until finish.
Mm, mm, mm. Okay, I like that. So you're comparing the positive side and the negative side,
Yeah.
okay,
Mm.
of this technology. Okay, so you can, as I also said, new technology. Okay, like that.
Mm.
This is a new technology.
Okay.
I like that. So you already know the basic structure, okay, of this, Miss Ruth, because you are already working in, you're working overseas now. Um, so
Tapi bahasa Indonesia,
instinctively, ya, kenapa?
ya masih ini Pak, masih ngawur gitu kalau ngomongnya, masih kayak acak gitu dong.
Gak apa-apa, gak apa-apa. Walaupun terasa ngacak menurut Miss Ruth ngacak ya, tapi
Ya.
apa udah mendekati ke struktur yang diinginkan gitu ya. Cuma memang
Mm.
harus dilatih lagi.
Ya.
eh, Nanti lama-lama ini bisa lebih apa ya, lebih strukturnya lebih lebih ini lagi, lebih apa yang diinginkan oleh IELTS ini.
Iya betul.
Sebenarnya sebenarnya kalau di percakapan sehari-hari udah cukup, udah bagus sebenarnya. Tapi ini kan IELTS ya, jadi
Mm-mm. Jadi kudu terstruktur.
sesuai dengan IELTS pengen gitu.
Mm-mm.
Gitu. eh
Oke.
oke, bagus ya tadi ya. Terus apa tadi? Nah, sekarang kita lihat bukunya ya. Misalnya, nah, di bukunya lebih gampang.
Mm-mm.
Aduh, di sana sering ini ya, apa badai pasir nggak? Kalau sekarang udah enggak ya, udah musim
Oh enggak
dingin ya.
Pak, sekarang musim dingin, dingin
Heeh.
banget. Di sini bisa sampai 3 degree Pak.
Oh ya?
3 derajat ya.
Di si ya miripnya di sini juga tapi nggak sampai di sini bisa sampai 9 ya 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 kalau musim dingin ya.
Mm-mm.
Tapi belum sih sekarang belum belum ini.
Oke.
Itu kalau malam tapi ya kalau siang nggak.
Iya, kalau siang nggak. Tapi siang udah turun sekarang suhunya jadi 28, 30 kayak di Indo.
Iya 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 iya.
Nggak nyampe 50 lagi. Kalau musim panas bisa. Astagfirullahaladzim. Itu gambaran.
Iya di sini waktu makanya saya bilang pantesan orang-orang sini pada keras-keras ya. Orang suhunya aja keras di sini saya bilang.
Iya, makanya.
Bentar ya ini nanti nih. Ini masih kita ke speaking dulu nih ya.
Sambil minum, Pak.
Iya, 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 silakan, silakan. Ini di fotonya minum nggak bisa habis. Itu minum. Oh, bukan, bukan. Sorry. Oke, sebentar ya. Tadi mana nih?
Mm-mm.
Ada berapa orang Indonesia di tempat kerja, Miss Ruth?
2 orang doang, Pak.
Hmm, dua
Mm-mm.
orang ya.
Iya.
Iya, iya,
Untungnya
iya,
ada
iya.
teman, Pak. Kalau sendirian banget, saya kadang suka gimana gitu.
Kenapa?
Kalau sendirian banget kayak
Heeh.
sebenarnya nggak apa-apa sih temenan sama mereka.
Sama
Cuman kayak
siapa?
maksudnya temenan sama negara lain nggak apa-apa. Cuman
Ah,
kita
ah,
pengen ngobrol sama pakai bahasa Indonesia gitu, Pak. Kalau kesel kan pengen ngomongnya pakai bahasa Indonesia.
ah. Oh iya, 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 iya. Nah, Miss Ruth ngerasain penderitaan saya di 16 tahun di Taiwan gak ada orang Indonesia ngobrol
Iya,
tempat
makanya
kerja.
hebat juga nih si Bapak.
Menderita awal-awalnya tuh.
Awalnya saya berempat,
Hmm.
tapi yang karena ada yang nggak lulus ujian, jadi dipulangi. Akhirnya kita bertahan sisa 2 orang.
Ujian apa itu? EOT apa?
Enggak, ujian prometrik, jadi
Oh,
UKOM gitu
Promet.
loh Pak, tentang
Oh iya iya iya.
pertanyaan-pertanyaan seputar keperawatan gitu.
Hmm, 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 hmm,
Sama kayak di Indo, soalnya cuman mereka
hmm.
ditransfer ke English. Tapi
Oh
nggak
gitu.
yang bahasa Inggris yang susah-susah banget. Makanya kan mereka
Heeh.
nggak butuh IELTS atau TOEFL kan.
Oh iya iya iya. Itu kalau
Hmm.
untuk perawat itu harus harus S1 apa gimana, Miss Ruth?
Iya, harus S1.
Harus S1 ya.
Mm-mm.
Hmm.
Ini aku di government, kalau yang di private kayaknya boleh D3, tapi kayaknya eh, pemerintah mereka sini lagi ngehapusin D3, maksudnya buat imigran-imigran, tapi kalau buat warga negaranya D3 mah nggak apa-apa.
Oh
Yang
gitu.
buat imigran minimal
S1 ya.
S1. Mm-mm.
Itu saya pikir nanti untuk anak saya nih mau jadi perawat atau apa ya.
Iya, aduh, perawat bisa go internasional, Pak.
Berapa lama itu S1-nya 4 tahun deh. Sama ya.
Mm, 5 tahun, Pak.
Oh
Kan
ya?
nanti, iya, nanti misalnya S1-nya 4 tahun, 1 tahunnya itu nanti praktek lapangan, jadi benar-benar kayak perawat di rumah sakit 1 tahun. Itu kerjanya bikin laporan, terus Pak, itu saya nggak
Oh gitu.
tidur-tidur. Tiap hari sidang, terus
Oh gitu.
sidang, presentasi, gitu.
Oke, oke, oke. Oke, ini Miss Ruth ya, ini yang terakhir nih, ini A1, ini speaking
Mm-mm,
practice-nya ini karena udah, nah ini nih salah satu pertanyaannya ya, ini
mm-mm,
hampir mirip-mirip ya.
mm-mm.
Oke, Miss Ruth coba pilih 2 pertanyaan dari sini. Nanti saya akan tanya yang B1 ya.
Mm-mm.
Coba silakan pilih yang mana yang mau saya tanyakan.
What do you usually do on weekends?
Tadi udah ya, itu tadi udah.
Udah. Okay. Do you prefer watching TV or reading books?
Apa ini? Can you describe your best friend's personality?
Peneliti. Ah, ya, ya.
Ini
It's
agak
okay.
menantang nih ya.
Iya.
Oke, oke, oke. Saya kasih waktu ya. Saya-
Oke. Hmm. 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 Oh ya, bentar-bentar.
Hmm. Ini pernah keluar soalnya describe your best friend's personality.
Oh, wow. Oke. Terus, bentar, aku lagi nyatetin poin kelebihan teman aku.
Oke, oke, oke.
Apa ya? Apalagi, oke. Hmm. Oke,
Udah,
jadi
itu
Pak.
aja ya. Oke,
Hmm.
oke. Alright, you can
Oh,
start when you're ready.
okay, I will describe how what I mean how my I mean wow how kok how sih? Okay, I will describe about my best friend personality. Her name is Teresia. Uh, I, me and her already close. I mean, my best friend. She is my best friend. She is close with me since we are 12 years. So it's already almost 8 years. We are already become no, sekarang umur berapa ya? Oh, it's already almost 17 years we are friends.
Hmm.
As already 17 years we are being so close. She is funny, she is cheerful, she is kind, and then she is like my sister. Everything what I did with her
Hmm.
is like it's never bored. It's never been bored because I feel she is like my sister by blood. But
Hmm.
in the reality, she is my sister but different blood. But we have a
Hmm.
same, but we have a same character. We are like some jokes and talking about our dreams together because me and her have a compassion and have a patience to be woman to be woman. I mean like apa ya aku bilang uh, I mean si ini tentang personality kan ya, iya udah.
Hmm.
She is a compassion girl, an energetic woman. She is a dreamer also because what she dreamed with me when I was 12 years now is happening to her. She was tell everything her goals, but she is ambitious. She talking everything about her dream now, but
Hmm.
now is happening to her life. Then
Hmm.
I'm so happy about her ambition is because her ambition is positive positivity and bring her ambition is positive and bring me to her positivity also. So I'm always excited if I meet her.
Okay. Good job. All right. Okay. So this is I can only give maybe two feedbacks. Okay, that's nice. So you try to give statement and then examples. Yeah, statement, examples, statement, examples. Okay, it's good.
Yeah.
So this if you wanna I will type it in the chat room. Okay, so
Mm-mm.
okay, being friends, right? Yeah, this one. Since you can say we were 12 like this.
Mm.
Okay, see.
I
See now the first sentence that's present perfect tense, right?
yeah,
So we have been, and then the second sentence that's simple past tense.
simple past tense. Yeah.
So that's the range. So we have been friends since we were 12. Okay, and
Yeah.
then like you said earlier, so and then we have been you can say, and then she has been my friend or best friend, okay, for what did you say, 17 years, right?
Yeah, 17 years.
Yeah. Okay. Or you can say we have been best friends for 17 years, or she has been my friend for
Mm.
uh I'm sorry, we have been friends for 17 years, okay? Or you can
Mm-mm.
say she has been my friend for 17 years.
17
The
years.
present
Okay.
perfect tense. So that's the example. How you
Suka deg-degan kan kalau kayak gitu, Bang. Jadi nggak
Kenapa?
jadi nggak kepikiran.
Iya, 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 itu dia. Memang, tapi ya setidak-tidaknya ya nggak berhenti. Nah, itu penjelasannya, itu bagus ya.
Oke, oke.
Gitu.
Emang tadi nggak berhenti, Pak? Kayaknya
Ada
saya
pause-pause sedikit ya, pause sedikit. Cuma masih bisa, itu masih dalam normal ya, dan jadi natural,
natural, Pak. Oh, oke.
natural, ya, natural
Mm-mm.
gitu. Tapi ini tips aja. Jadi ini nih penting nih. Kalau apa selama berapa lama ya,
Ya,
sejak kapan? Nah ini kalimat simple, bukan simple, present perfect tense ya. Ini nih mungkin bisa dilatih lagi. Nih.
jadi we were have been 17
Nggak,
years.
jadi langsung we have been friends, okay,
We have been friends 17 years.
for 17 years.
For 17 years since I
Nah,
am 12 years old.
or you can say we have been friends since we were 12 years old. Bisa juga boleh. Ya.
Oke.
Gitu. Gampang ya?
Oke. Insya Allah. Oke, 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 Pak.
Eh,
Sip.
Oke.
Mm-mm.
Ini langsung saya kirim nih sebentar ya. Saya matiin ya rekamannya ya.